My loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi and today's video is a very special video. It's about one homegrown brand which I really love from the bottom of my heart. So in one of my recent videos I'd shared my hair care routine, and since then I've got so many questions and DMs on my Instagram about those products and for reviewing those products in short. So I thought this is the best time to review them. I've been using these products for 2 months now and I can surely bet on my reviews right now. I am crystal clear with my reviews. If you want to know my hair care routine and short reviews from Rustic Art, then please continue watching. Just quickly brief you all about Rustic Art. So Rustic Art is a small scale business from Satara, Maharashtra. It's a homegrown Indian brand. Especially when you find such hidden gems, I am more than overwhelmed to actually review these products and bring them to the spotlight because they totally deserve it. Rustic Art is a small scale business. They do have organic ingredients being used in their products. They are cruelty free, vegan, they also have sustainable packaging, and the best part is that the brand is water efficient, biodegradable, sustainable and made in India. So what else do you want? And the products are really bomb, at least the ones I've tried. I'm gonna quickly review those to you all. First product that I want to talk about are their shampoo butters. So they are called as their Rustic Art shampoo butters. I'm having two different variants. First one is the cinnamon rosemary shampoo butter. So that is the outer packaging that you get, and when you open it up, that is how the shampoo butter looks like. Now the concept itself of shampoo being in this kind of tub form is different to me. This was the very first thing I ever tried and I swear I would not go back from this. Many a times you guys keep asking me what shampoo do you use, what oil do you use, so it is this. What you have to do with the shampoo butter is just scoop out a little bit and then wet your hair and just you have to foam it up. So a little goes a long way. You do not require a lot of the shampoo butter. That was the first pro, I would say, because you really require less amount of the product. So this is gonna last you really long time. From 2 months I've been using this, and this one, which is the mint eucalyptus one, I love this one more than the rosemary one. I just love this so very much. You just require small amount, foam it up, and it's gonna remove even heavy oiling. It is that great. Second best thing I found was that you do not require a lot of water with these shampoo butters to rinse off your hair, as these foam really well even in less amount of water, which is again a very good thing. Third thing, the ingredients are organic. They are all certified. This shampoo butter, your hair feels so soft as if they are conditioned. Especially this one, my hair felt so soft, conditioned and shiny that I do not even have to reach out for a conditioner, and you can like totally skip on your conditioner with these shampoo butters. These are so bomb, you guys. If you want to try just one, I would highly suggest you all to try out the mint eucalyptus one. This is my favorite. On my Instagram I used to update about the progress when I was using these products, and with this one particularly my hair fall pattern reduced so well, and I can actually see a decrease in my hair fall, and that is what I want. Like, I am so super happy. Plus the way my hair looks and how manageable they become after the shampoo butter, this is like a 5-star product for me. Highly I'll recommend you all to try this one out. Try it for once and you're gonna fall in love for it. So yes, that was the first product from Rustic Art that I highly recommend. The second product that I really love is their nourishing hair oil. Now if you know me and have been following me since a long time, you might be knowing my love towards cold pressed oils and especially castor oil. So castor oil was the oil which actually made a difference in my hair fall pattern, and it promoted more hair growth, and that is the reason why I prefer cold pressed castor oils. But castor oil is never to be used on its own because of the thickness, and so it is always mixed with carrier oils, while this one particularly is a mixture of all of those certified organic oils in their raw form. So this is like a blend of all of these raw cold pressed oils. It does have sesame seed oil, black cumin oil as the second ingredient, and the third one is castor oil. It has moringa oil, it does have almond oil, jojoba oil, brahmi oil. It also has vitamin E, rosemary oil, cedarwood oil, clary sage oil and lemon peel oil. So if you're the one who is facing dandruff issues, try this one. I personally have pahad, like literally a range of mountains on my scalp. The dandruff issue is so bad, but now post using this oil, I'm actually noticing those mountains having to become plateaus, if you can understand what I'm trying to say. But I really love this hair oil. With hair oil, I would definitely say if you switch hair oils way too frequent, you will see hair fall initially, but later on the hair fall does decrease when your scalp gets used to it. Because this is a cold pressed oil, this is more beneficial as the properties do not get altered, and that is the reason why I prefer cold pressed oils over hot pressed oil. Talking about the oil's texture, it is very lightweight and fluidy, as you can see, so it is not very sticky or heavy on the hair, so you would not feel that chip kind of feeling. Especially I hate that, and I hate those oils which don't get washed off in like 2 goes. Like I know it takes like almost 2 washes to remove that heavy oiling, but this is the kind of oil that will get easily washed off when you're shampooing your hair, and so I really recommend this hair oil from Rustic Art. I have 2 more different products which are concentrates. So this is their body wash concentrate and this is their face wash concentrate. Both are organic products. So talking about the body wash concentrate, so it does have tamarind, cocoa butter and very good ingredients like clove. It also has aloe vera, lemon peel oil, tamarind, rosemary. It also has coconut, sunflower, flaxseed oil, castor oil and so many good things into it. Plus it also is vegan, sulfate free, preservative free. It does not contain any bad ingredients or those chemicals that are gonna harm your body or your skin, so that is the reason why I totally love it. Now as this is a concentrate, this is very thick. This jar contains 200 grams of product and you can make it like double. So what you do is, other brands are making you pay for the water that they're putting in their products, but here you're getting the entire product and you're paying for just the product. So if you wish to, you can make a liquid body wash out of this by mixing equal proportion of water with the organic wash. You just need little bit, okay? Just take little amount of it and apply it on your wet loofah and then just lather it up. Really feels very relaxing, and that is what I really want, stress booster kind of body wash. It just feels so relaxing, and that is the reason why I like it. Now this does smell slightly sour like tamarinds, but if you do not really mind that kind of fragrance and want that fresh cooling bathing experience, then you can definitely try this one out. And that was the body wash concentrate. Similarly, I do have their face wash concentrate. Now in this I do have the sandal variant. It does contain 50 grams of product and this one retails for MRP 200. Now you would say it is so costly for this small tub, but this surface area is really small to wash, right? And you just need a pea size of this product. That is what I would say. You do not need so much, because this is concentrate, you guys. If you just apply way too much, this would sting your eyes, so avoid the eye area is what I would say, because this does sting, which is what I didn't like about this. But I got to know that it is because of pH difference, because of which it might have stinged my eyes. But other than that, it is really good. It does have turmeric in this, it has sandalwood oil also, and it has mango seed butter, almond oil and many other good organic ingredients put in the formula. So again, it is really good for cleansing out and purifying and detoxifying your face with some organic ingredients. I would rate this a 3 out of 5 just because slightly it stings near the eye area and I'm not able to use it. So that is the reason why I cut some points over there, but other than that, it is a good product. Then the next product I have is their lip balm. So this is the Rustic Art Raspberry Mint Organic Lip Moisturizer. So this does have mint and berry extracts in the formula. This does contain 9 grams of product and you do get 24 months to use it, plus it retails for MRP 225, and that is how the packaging comes. That's how the lip balm looks like. This does contain almond oil, red raspberry seed oil, cocoa butter, shea butter, cucumber butter, camellia wax, fruit wax, peppermint oil, vitamin E, coconut oil and castor oil. and that is why it is very moisturizing on the lips. Now when you apply it on your lips, it feels and smells like coconut oil, but like within 5 minutes you will start to feel that cooling sensation on your lips, which is what I like, and I think it is because of the mint which is there in this, because of which it feels very cooling, and that is the reason why I still love using this. The only thing I don't really like is the smell of coconut oil, which I feel is slightly overpowering, but other than that, this is a really good heavy duty moisturizer for your lips, which is gonna hydrate your lips. I haven't really tried other variants, so maybe in them the smell of coconut oil is not that overpowering. And particularly I found it to smell a lot like coconut oil, but the cooling sensation that it gives, that is the one thing that I really like in this. And again, this is organic, 100% biodegradable, cruelty free, vegan and organic. So that was their lip moisturizer. Actually, I have a very different product, and I know you guys have no clue about this, that I'm going to be reviewing this, but it is their bio laundry soap. So this is their organic bio laundry soap. Like, come on now, I'm 22, I wash clothes, so I need soap, right? Jokes apart, what do I really use this laundry soap is for washing my makeup brushes. Now if you know me from a long time, you know that I love using animal fat free and dye free soaps for washing my makeup brushes, because they are costly, they are delicate, and I do not want to ruin the bristles of my brushes. So I prefer these kind of organic animal fat free soaps. Initially they had this kind of packaging, I've kept it because YouTuber job, but now they have come up with a different packaging, and you do get 150 gram of product, and this one retails for just ₹90. This is gonna last you for such a long time that I've been using this soap bar from 2 months, and it is still this much. Just wet my brushes and then swirl it on the bar, and then swirl it on the brush cleaner mat, and then wash it off with water. And the best part is that it does not dry the bristles of my brushes. It does condition them in a good way, plus wash them and make them stain free, and just removes all of the makeup that has been holding on to those brushes. This does not have any animal ingredient, animal fat or chemicals or dyes or fillers in the soap, and that is the reason why I prefer this for cleaning my makeup brushes. And if not this, you can also use this for the most common purpose, that is for washing your clothes. It just washes the clothes perfectly. But other than this, for washing my makeup brushes, I also like to use the cinnamon rosemary shampoo butter. Now as you saw, it does come in this kind of tub form, so you can simply swirl your makeup brushes in here and then swirl them on the makeup cleaning mat and then wash it off. Even this removes all of the stains and the product which is being there sitting inside those brushes and makes them super clean. Plus this also conditions the bristles of the brushes. So if you want a real heavy duty makeup brush cleaner, then you can go for this. It will also condition the brushes, and so the longevity of the brushes increases. Other which ways, I totally love using this. I'm a lazy person, so I love using laundry soaps like these. So yeah, that was all of the products that I had from Rustic Art since a long time, and I've been using these. Totally, I would say the superstar product of all of these that I've been trying is the mint and eucalyptus shampoo butter. I swear by this product, you guys. If there's just one product that you want to try this one out. You're not gonna regret it. Thank me later. But I totally love this. So yes, those were my short reviews on the Rustic Art products. So you can shop them from Amazon, Nykaa or Rustic Art's own website. I would have all of these linked in the description box so that you can check them out. That's a wrap for today's video. Those were my short reviews on Rustic Art products. If you like this video, then hit that like button. You will find all the product names and details in the description box. And with that being said, I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.